free games again. Free games have been so bad to us lately. Let's get a better one. Let's do better this time, Mr. Mummy. Okay. Let's get something better here. Cash collect. Oh yeah, do that one. Okay. Come on. Green. Emerald. Oh my god, finally we get one. Another one would be nice. Okay. Finally get a cash collect on this. Look at that major, people. That's kind of scary, but we're with it. Let's go. Come on. Let's get something epic here. I believe. Alright. Okay, let's go. More. Oh yes, more of those, please. Come on, Mr. Mummy. This will be a part 2, probably, of course. Okay. Let's go. Green. Bam. Okay, we need a green here. 2 would be nice. One more. Okay. 2 is great. That's what we're looking for. On to the next one. Let's go. Plus the 2 we already have. Let's see if we can get a jackpot here. Okay, it's obviously a 2-part saga. Let's go. Come on. One more. Oh, in his cage. That's what we needed. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Okay, I don't know how all these other ones are missing, but we need to do better, Mr. Mummy. Come on. You owe us. Okay, another one. Okay. A lot of these are missing. But... Okay. Green, one more. Okay. One more shot for one more gem. We got this, people. Let's go. Yes. Oh, $22 one landed in there. That was unexpected and delightful. $100, $2 bet. Let's go. We need this, Mummy. We need this, Mr. Mummy. Let's go. 3 on 1 spin. One more. Oh, mini, our favorite. Let's go. One more. Okay. Still standing with 3 on 1 spin. Let's go. Come on. Oh my goodness. 2 at the last possible. Okay. The last possible shot. That is a full screen, Mr. Mummy. We love it. We love to see it. 1 spin, but at least we got it. It's like we get into the last boss in a video game, okay? Here we go. Land the grand. We can do this, people. Land the grand. All that for all that for $4. Well, it's the journey, not the destination most of the time, people. You know that. Or if you don't, this is a perfect example of it. It's the journey, not the... Oh, I didn't realize we're still in free spins. Totally forgot about that. We got to the end and it was $4, but the journey that took us there was absolutely delightful. We appreciate that. Let's go. Let's do it again. Come on, Mr. Mummy. You know we can do this again, right? Yeah, we can. Yes, come on. I just asked for it. Come on, green. We can do this. Closing my eyes. Bam. How epic would that have been? Just getting a shot at it. Okay, where were you? Day late and $1 short. Okay, he was up there again. Oh, wow. Full thing of wilds. That's actually huge. Pretty huge. We still have a chance to pop that right now, or what? The jackpot feature, that is. Keep on counting. We love it. Come on. Retrigger or cash collect. That's pretty good. Getting 5 of a kind is hard in this game. Retrigger. Another one. Thank you, Mr. Mummy. Yeah. Put on your awesome hat. Okay, we love it. Thank you. Is that it? Or is it gonna pop? Okay. Love to see it. Do. Okay. Mr. Mummy owed us. This isn't all he owed us, but he can pay us in a few installment plans. That's totally fine by me. $230, $2 bet, 100x. So a couple backup spins. Why not? Okay, that was some Mo Mummy magic, people, if I've ever seen it. We were on the way out, but we decided to take another shot, put in 20 on the way out, and we got 240. We love it. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, people. Bye-bye for now. Thanks, Mo Mummy. We're doing well, now. Okay, one more. Okay, let's win our money back. That's good. Yeah, 3 is fine. Yeah, I just like if you get more, maybe. Okay, we need something to happen here though, because okay, Mr. Mummy. Come on, dude. We can get the green one in here too. Green one. Come on, do it again. Top. Yes. Okay, that's good. We get extra free games, right? 6 more or what? Let's see if it actually does anything. 6 additional, okay. We need to get the green ones in this mode. Let's go again. Double, triple. Free games are only as good as what they actually line up to be, so. Oh, come on, do it in here. A big green one. Big green one. Big green on the last reel. That's what we wanted. We wanted that. That's the one you get like the big situation on. So where were you? Where were you last time? Where were you last time? Pop now? Oh, okay. Hello? This one. Oh, that's a lot of wilds. Oh, one more. Okay, 4 more. We need a cash collect in here. Okay, you can do that again, I guess, too. Pop the cash collect. Pop it, please. Oh, it's going so fast when I'm not touching anything. I don't know why it goes so fast the other time I'm not pushing anything, and it goes so slow when this is going on. Please, the last one. Drop a big one. No, green. 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 Mr. Mummy, this is so lame. 10x bonus, or 12x, whatever it is. Yay. Yeah, that sound at the end was super appropriate. Fizzled out. Oh, here we go. Here's a respin. Which one is it now? Oh, it's the wild bonus. Oh, is it both? Is it both? Is it? Oh, it's just the jackpot one, I think. I almost thought it was both. Grand. Come on, Mini. My favorite Mini. My favorite, the Mini, yeah. Please, Mini. 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 Grand. Yeah, that's fine too. Oh, yes, my favorite. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you for that $10. Thank you for that $10. Oh, slow clap. No one likes you. I thought it was going to be both, maybe. I mean, the cash collect looks like it's ready to kind of blow. Come on. Okay, I want a big one now, too. I want to be greedy. Big one, too. Another big one. At least we got it. Big. Let's get some humongous ones, sir. Okay, rank 225. Hoorah. Okay, come on. We don't want that. goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he is mean. We just had to talk. He understands the mission at hand. Oh, the mini, my favorite. We didn't get it. We have to get 2 on 1 now. 2, 1, right? Oh, yeah, 2 on 1. Please, Mr. Mummy. Please do it. 2. You big mean man. The little mean man, because he stayed at 2 by 2. He is. So many tiny baby bonuses. Back to back. Oh, that's a good one. Another one. One more green. Okay. That's a $45 one. Yeah. On the comeback trail. Okay. Yes. Okay. Many of them. Many of your friends, please. Many of your friends. Green. Okay, those are good ones. Okay. And my gal green, come on. Keep them coming. I appreciate it. Yes. My little buddy. Drop the mini in there just for fun, our favorite. Oh? Okay. I would like to have gotten it one round earlier, but you can do it. Just make it easy. No. Come on. No. Oh, that's so lame. You get the big one and it just like kind of fizzles out sometimes. Slow clap. Okay. Decent hit. It is a nice view out here though. Durango loosened up its slots a little bit. That would be nice. Something's happening. 3 games. And, oh, double, triple? All triple. Triple pop, come on. Is it triple? It's one of them. It's Jackpot? Yeah. I thought it was gonna be triple. Okay, we're really excited to get our mini right now. We're really excited to get our mini. There's no doubt about it. Okay. The center of the universe, Maxi. Okay, I'll take that one. I think we deserve it. Grand. Okay, I wouldn't mind that one, I think. Mini. Okay, just give us the mini already. Okay. Mini up here, obviously. Minor. Okay, oh, Mini's older cousin. Okay, that one would be okay, I guess. Okay, that's good too. I wouldn't mind it. Okay. Which one is Grand gonna be? Which one is Grand gonna be? The one that's furthest away? Or the one that's... Oh, okay, Minnie's little cousin. It's just like, it's when you're accepting the inevitable, but you don't want to accept it because there's a little bit of hope. At least we're paying for a little bit of hope, okay? So if Minnie was my friend, oh, I guess we have a better chance of getting Minor than Minnie. Okay, that's pretty good. So which one do you think we should pick? Which one do you think I should pick? Okay. 2 from that one. Minor wouldn't be here, would it? He's clapping for me. Okay, he left, so now he's gonna come give us a bonus. I said so. He left, so he's gonna come give us a bonus. Which one is it? Oh my god, Mini again? I guess we'll take the Mini again. We'll take the Mini. We'll take the Mini again. Okay, so start at the middle of the universe. Okay, mini here. Okay. Mini here. Okay, minor, the cousin that we always wanted. Okay, so corners. Minor, perfect, perfect. It can't be in the middle. It can't be 3 in a row. Okay, that's what we want to see. And then, so if this is here, so symmetry means, okay. So symmetry means tic-tac-toe. Oh, there he is. There they are, okay. Okay, so let's do this as like a pay line. So this is a pay line on top dollar, right? So mini, okay, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So what would be another pay line? So mini, right here. Okay, so grand is there. So where do we want to pick the mini? If I was a mini, where would I be? Lucky lefty. Okay. Mini would be, what's maxi even? Well, these are the numbers up here. So I think that the mini is probably here. There it is. Perfect. Just what I wanted. Just what I wanted. Oh, thanks. Thanks there, pal. We appreciate it.